Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. As all of you know that we are doing 30 days art challenge. Today is the date 7 and today's challenge is draw anything cute. So I'm going to draw a cartoon watermelon for you all. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all I'm going to draw the base of our watermelon cartoon. Okay, so this is the base, or you can say the lower body. Draw the hand and the legs. Okay, now let's draw it. We are drawing the hat that our cartoon character is wearing. Okay, now let's just draw the eyes and the mouth. Draw another hand, and we are going to draw an umbrella in his hand. This is our cute umbrella. Okay. So friends, our cute cartoon watermelon drawing is complete. Now let's start coloring. I'm going to make the seeds. First of all, eyes, mouth, I'm going to use a light pink color in its face. Now we are going to draw the shell of our watermelon, or you can say the base, with dark green color. This is so cool. we have colored the top of our character with red color to give it a complete feeling of watermelon. Now we have to color up the umbrella. Color the streak with green color, and I'm going to use two colors in umbrella, that is green and red. One block is green, another one is red. So I'm going to color the green blocks first. Okay, now just use red color to color up the left out blocks. So friends, our cute cartoon watermelon cartoon character is ready. So if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.